It's been years since I saw your face, since I left that quiet place. Time kept moving, days turned cold, but some memories never grow old. I kept your photo in my hand, like a piece of a broken plan. Every night I wondered too, if your heart still missed me too. Tonight I'm standing at your door, but it doesn't feel like before. I came to surprise you after so long, but the feeling here feels wrong. The lights are on, but you're not home, and suddenly I feel alone. I thought the years would lead me back, but love got lost somewhere in the past. All the dreams I held so strong faded away after so long. The street we walked feels